Hi guys. So tired. I tried to sleep but I can't. I just like decided to take shower and looking for food. But it's really fuck it. It's really funny guys. So I booked the hostel in the middle of nowhere. You see like 2 cars, 3 cars. What I gonna do with this? I just saw like bus stop, so I wanna check it out. Maybe they have a restaurant, right? And yeah, bingo, they have a restaurant here. I gonna check like what they sell here. Probably basic stuff. But oh nice. So bus stop's right here. They have like couple restaurant, 2 restaurant here. I gotta check it out. It's so funny. Oh my god, what I'm doing, bro. Okay, barbecue, 100%, 100% barbecue. My favorite food ever. Okay, I'm so hungry. And it's so cheap. Look at this. Like, all you can eat, I guess, like buffet style. 15. Let's do it. See? So you just do like that. 5. Hello. Oh, hola. One person. Comida. Okay. So guys, so this is perfect. I'm not sure about the price, but in the board that said like 15. So I hope it's 15. And this is look fucking amazing. Look at this. I told you guys I can eat Brazilian barbecue every fucking day. Oh my god. And also vegetable. This is like my favorite cola ever, that always have different like flavor, but the coffee Coke is like #1, my favorite. I gotta have this one. Yeah. Alright, I'm full. So one trip about if you solo traveler, if you looking for food or like, you know, tour guide, anything like the package tour, you can looking around near bus stop, like bus station. They also have like some, I don't know, hostel, restaurant, tour. I don't know how much is it. Should I go check it out? Is it an open door? Anyway, I just want to go check bus station here, what it look like. I almost gonna plan come here by bus from Sao Paulo, but you know, the price not that different, and also you can save so much time. That's why I just flew here. It's really nice bus station though. It's pretty clean and big. You can go everywhere from here. There's like many companies you can choose. Probably gonna depend on the price and the length. I mean, like, you know, like VIP class or like, you know, regular fan. Anyway, so they also have many restaurants here. Subway. Jesus Christ, I don't want to see Subway here. Damn, I fall in love with Brazil so hardly. I wish I can have like 2 more weeks at least, so I can go like different cities. Brazil is really beautiful. I think people is really nice. Just, you know, big cities, Sao Paulo, Rio, like people always say like bad image about those cities. I mean, it's everywhere, guys. Bangkok, it's like one of the most dangerous city as well. One more thing I just realized here is because maybe in the three countries borders and also close to Argentina, that's why it's like more like lighter skin, like white people, like white looking people here more than Rio or like Sao Paulo. But also people speak Spanish here too, like kind of mixed. It's really interesting, right? Okay. Damn. If I have more time, definitely I'm gonna choose the bus. You can save the one night for the hotel and also, you know, but you need more time. Alright. So Argentina is waiting for me. Argentina is waiting for me. Ohayou gozaimasu, beautiful people. Here I'm at immigration. I just walked past. Sorry. Sorry for my voice. I've been drinking way too hard and the weather changed all the time. It's raining. Of course it's rainforest. I'm in Brazil. So anyway, I'm in immigration. I just gonna walk to Argentina right now, guys. Is that crazy? I gonna walk to Argentina. It's gonna be my, I don't know, 7, 8 countries. And I gotta go see the waterfall from that side. Seems pretty beautiful, right? Okay. Anyway, nobody walking, of course. Everybody take a fucking car. Just a really stupid Asian guy walking on the street alone. Should I hitchhike at least? I don't know. I never done that before. Oh, let's go. Guys, also I did it again. I just checked on the map for the next immigration in Argentina. You have to walk about like 40 minutes. What the fuck? Good thing that it's the early morning, not too hot. And also, it's no country line. If I get killed, nobody gonna find me here. Nobody can help me. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my gosh. Have more way to go, guys. It's a lot of constructions around here. This city gets so much money. The waterfall really famous, so a lot of tourists came, and yeah, they make a lot of money. Oh, little boy. All right. The border of Brazil and Argentina. It's gonna be fun, guys. Wow, guys, it's worth it. The early morning walk is worth it. Whatever it takes, it's just beautiful. I'm gonna go Argentina now. That land is Argentina, Brazil. Wow. The jungle is still perfect condition. It's beautiful. I don't want anything to destroy them or change too much. But seems like city grows so fast. Oh man, next time I come to visit again, I feel like it's completely, the city gonna change like completely. Who knows? Okay, it's super easy. You just have to walk. And you know, yesterday the guy offered me like 250 real, and you know, he gonna bring me to everything. I don't know, but I feel like it's not expensive, but you just want experience. You just want here. You just want to walk. So many tourists. It's like it's too convenient, I think, for them, but not for me. I gotta get coffee. I'm so dead for coffee. Are there coffee here? Water. Everything gonna be Argentina money. I think this is good. This is perfect. Okay. Okay, more. Gracias.
Serían 10.200.
Okay. I don't know how much it is, but there you go.
Hola. Hola, ¿cómo andas?
Good. Okay. Gracias. One more benefit when you travel alone without tour, you can stop by any local shop like this, you know, by yourself. If you're hungry, you can stop to buy anything, go like pee anytime you want, you know. And sometimes tourists just bring you to like the shopping place a lot, like duty free and stuff. You don't need it. It's worth your time. And you know, it's tired for sure. It's really tired, but it's worth it.
I go with you to the Singapore.
Not Singapore. Thailand.
Thailand. Por eso I ask you. Thailand.
So what's your name again?
Mi nombre es Sandro.
Sandro.
Yes.
It's really nice guy, so it's like he discounts for me, and he's just like, hey, don't fight with me for $1. Right.
Así que mi amigo
Mickey. Yes.
Vamos a practicar tu español, mi amigo.
Yeah.
Mickey. A ver si prestaste atención en la lección de español.
Yes.
Así que hoy va a ser el lado argentino de Falls Argentinian Side. Hay 3 circuitos. 3 circuits.
Okay.
Lower, Upper, and Devil's Row. El paseo inferior, superior y garganta del diablo.
More rain, yeah.
Aquí solo lluvia, mucha lluvia. Mucha lluvia. Lluvia.
Okay.
Lluvia.
Mucho lluvia. Okay.
Lluvia and rain.
Okay. Lluvia.
Don't worry, my friend. The lesson in Spanish is included the price.
He's really nice. He's tell me all the history about the fall, about the Argentina, about his family. It's amazing. He's such a nice guy. I want to see him again probably. And now I'm gonna buy the ticket. This is the end of the line for the ticket. Okay. Cool. All right, that's easy. It's even shorter than Disneyland in Tokyo. I paid this for 20,000 pesos. It's about like 20 something dollars, I guess. And now we're gonna get in. By the way, Pedro. What's your name again?
Mi nombre es Sandro.
Sandro.
Yes.
A taxi guy told me if you come last month, it's just 10,000. Right now, the ticket price is like inflation is insane, 150% inflation. This is a country that almost, you know, I don't know.
Quiere decir que estamos gordos. Vamos a contrapesar. Te cuento acá rapidito. Ok, sí. Porfa. Miren, estamos acá. Y este punto, ven aquellas columnas blancas de ese edificio a la derecha. Ahí está el camión.
We made it. We made it. I don't even know when did I pay this. That just let me get in. And I don't know, guys. I need one space. Okay. I get here. This cute fucking train. Okay. Wow. Guys, I lose my sunglasses in the sea. Now my eye is dead. Alright, guys.
I promise it's magic thought.
Guys, I've been walking for a while now in the jungle. I mean, it's nice. All the paths have like concrete. It's really easy to walk. And those like crazy hotels just appeared. They have like swimming pool and everything. Seems expensive, but it's way too close to the waterfall. And also, I don't know how their affect to the environment. You know, the jaguars still like walk around, the animals. It's kind of weird that like they have hotel like, you know, in the national parks. Man, people crazy. Guys, I just saw the famous animal that living in only around here. Fuck, I don't know the names, but I'll tell you shortly. They are so cute. I didn't know they're living like a pack. Guys, finally we are here. Ready? Every time when I go to the forest like this, guys, I always thinking about Prince Mononoke, the Ghibli movie. If you never watched it, please check it out. I love that movie so much. The jungle spirit is real. I believe that 100%. You just can't see it. And just respect the place, respect all the spirits. Wow, guys, these little guys are so close. Guys, I never get bored of it. I can watch this all day. It's so cute. Guys, look how fun they are. Sometimes you don't need to use your eye to experience things. You just feel it. Here, when you hear the energy, it's real. The sun, the water, the sounds, everything. The harmony of the perfection is incredible. Guys, you can see the water fresh up. It feels like you're in the rain spraying around you all the time. You're gonna feel get wet all the time here. That's how the water is powerful and a lot of water. And for that reason, the rainbow here is every day, every day. Fun fact number one, Argentina owns 80% of the falls, the Iguazu falls. So it's 24 hours free money. The tourists come here for the spend money, and that the taxi driver told me where the money goes. Here is fun fact number two. Really famous movie blockbuster from Hollywood is also filming here. The famous one, Indiana Jones, Black Panther, Mission Impossible. You're gonna feel like you are in the movie right away. Guys, and we are like the main point here. I can tell you the last fun fact. But first, just enjoy the view. Alright guys, and here is Iguazu Falls. I brought you here. Then the fun fact number three. The last November, that have a new record. Over 24 million liters of water is dropped here per second. That's amazing, right? Because our average about like 10 million around, but last November, because of the climate change everything, and they also destroy another bridge up there that we can't go. Too bad, but still incredible. Personally, I recommend you guys take a photo or video from the other side, because this is at the top. And just so you know why it's the biggest waterfall in the world, because it's almost 3 kilometers of wide waterfall. That's why it's really big. 3 kilometers. I'm hungry. I hope I can find good Argentina food. It's, you know, tourist city anyway, so $3 is so cheap. I'm so tired. It's okay. Let's do it, guys. Get out right after the bus. I just find out they have the buffet place. It's really legit place. It's about like 40 different kind of food. It look really good. I'm not sure everything is like Argentinian food or not. Hey, by the way, any Argentina friends I have, please say hi, okay? Anyway, but this is $7. Guys, $7. I'm not even sure like $7 I can buy in New York City right now, but wow, this is amazing. Itadakimasu. Whew, guys, I'm full again. Good to go. I don't really know about Argentinian food that much, but seems like it's more flavor. They put like more spice, more sauce, more like ingredients. But Brazilian food is more like simple, for my opinion. And yeah, it's pretty good, but I don't know, Southeast though. What is this place? Okay, bus. Okay, so now I know where to go. I take a bus to the immigration to the Brazil, probably. Okay, easy, easy. Everything is easy. Nice. By the way, my phone just like 13%. Okay, I gonna make it or not. Hi. Okay. This is my first time. English, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I don't know what is that. Like people always drinking. It's like tea.
It's something like tea, but it's an infusion. It's called yerba mate.
Oh, like a mate. Okay.
And also here you can drink mate or tereré, the cold one.
Oh, both.
Both, of course. I think it's
Perfect. I found the right place, guys. I found the right place. Are you okay? Comfortable with video?
Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Thank you for saying hi. Then okay, let's try, guys. Like this is pretty cute. Like I wanna try the mate first. It's hot mate, and then I gotta take a cold one to go. How about that?
the cold.
Yeah, cold. Like I want both. This is my first time. So you accept Visa, right?
Sorry?
Accept Visa, like credit card.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Also, look, we have this service. It's called My First Mate, and we teach you how to drink it and how to prepare. Okay? So it takes something like 10 minutes, 15, and I show you. And also you choose which yerba you want because we have a lot of traditional, barbacoa, organic with herbs. So it's a nice experience.
Wow. Oh, this like it's the whole experience. Awesome, awesome. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yes.